Imagine waking up one morning, checking the news, and seeing the headline US debt hits record high. Treasury warns of unprecedented fiscal pressure by 2030. Now imagine your entire retirement savings, your 401k, your IRA, being tied to that same government's promises. Scary, right? Now here's the twist. A retired air traffic controller from Tampa, Florida, named Frank Harmon, didn't wait around to see how it would play out. Instead, he moved exactly $512,800 from his traditional IRA into a gold IRA. And today, he sleeps like a baby. But this story didn't start with some secret financial wizardry. It started with one small step, and I'll tell you what that was in a minute. But first, why does this strategy protect your wealth for decades? Because it's backed by history, not headlines. Gold has outlasted every currency, every market crash, and every war for the past 5,000 years. And with today's economic uncertainty, from inflation that's still sticky to bank instability that's still making the Fed nervous, smart retirees are realizing that if your entire retirement depends on the stock market, you don't actually have a retirement plan. You have a hope. Frank didn't want hope. He wanted certainty. He'd spent 35 years guiding planes safely to the ground, a job with no room for error. So when he started hearing whispers about Social Security shortfalls, bank downgrades, and the ballooning national debt, he knew it was time to take the controls on his future. That's when he came across a free gold IRA guide. No gimmicks, no pressure, just real education. And from there, he scheduled a quick 15-minute no-obligation call with a specialist. Not a salesman, a real human being. That was the beginning of his rollover and the end of his financial anxiety. Let's break this down logically. A gold IRA isn't magic. It's simply a type of retirement account that lets you hold physical gold as part of your portfolio. No, not paper gold or some ETF. Actual physical gold stored in a secure vault. The same kind of gold central banks are now hoarding at record levels. It acts like a firewall for your retirement. When markets crash, gold historically rises. When inflation spikes, gold keeps pace. When currencies collapse, gold remains. And here's the truth Wall Street won't tell you. Diversification doesn't mean having a bunch of stocks. It means having true, uncorrelated assets. Gold isn't tied to tech earnings, political promises, or interest rate tweaks. It stands alone. That's why Americans like Frank, and millions more, are making the shift. Not because they're paranoid, because they're prepared. So, what does this mean for you? Well, if you're an American retiree with $100,000 or more in a 401k, IRA, or similar account, you owe it to yourself to get the free gold IRA guide. There's no catch, no pressure, no free silver gimmicks, just an honest educational resource and a short, private conversation to help you decide if it's the right move for your situation. That's where Frank's journey started. Just one click, one call, one step toward decades of peace of mind. And listen, you worked hard your entire life to build that nest egg. You made sacrifices. You stayed up late, worked weekends, skipped vacations, all to provide a better future for your family. Don't let volatility wipe it away now. Protect your legacy. Click the link, get your free gold IRA guide, and take control of your future. Because no one will care about your retirement more than you do. And decades from now, you'll be glad you did.